Hello everyone, I am Gloria and welcome to this Salsa lady style video tutorial. Let's start with a basic step just to train at home and to do it every day to keep your practice on. So let's start with a parallel position. So feel now the center, the steps in the center. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, one more time and last time stop. So we are going to use now the parallel position. We are going to open and close. Opening, step and close. Open, step and close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Use your elbows. Stay there, using as well the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So now let's do it with the music. And let's start in the center using the steps and then go to your right, opening and opening. And we are going to use the arms as well if you want. Feel free to move them or just stay there safe to have a better hip control and your steps with a better fluidity. So let's do it with the music. Enjoy, smile, breathe in. Breathe out and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now go to your right, left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. To the right, to the left, right and left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Feel how your hips are moving as well and your torso is growing up. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's go now to the center and right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right and left. Last time to the left. And from the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. To the right. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, center. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and side. Left, right, and left. I hope you enjoyed this small video tutorial. Keep practicing and see you soon in the next one.